Even though Bitcoin only exists digitally, you still got to keep it somewhere, whether you're hoping to use it to buy goods or services today or to invest it for the long term. Before watching the full video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications. That's why when you start buying Bitcoin, you'll also need to begin using a Bitcoin wallet. Luckily, crypto wallets generally work just like physical wallets. They keep up with your cryptocurrencies and store the information proving ownership of any tokens you hold in it. What is a Bitcoin wallet? A Bitcoin wallet is a digital wallet that can hold Bitcoin as well as other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or XRP. A Bitcoin wallet, and any crypto wallet, for that matter, is a digital wallet storing the encryption material giving access to a Bitcoin public address and enabling transactions, says Alexander Ketch, CEO of On-Chain Custodian, a custody service for digital assets. Bitcoin wallets not only hold your digital coins, but they also secure them with a unique private key that ensures that only you and anyone you give the code to can open your Bitcoin wallet. Think of it like a password on an online bank account. With a crypto wallet, you can store, send, and receive different coins and tokens. Some just support basic transactions, while others include additional features like built-in access to blockchain-based, decentralized applications commonly known as dApps. Among other things, these may allow you to loan out your cryptocurrency to earn interest on your holdings. How does a Bitcoin wallet work? Bitcoin operates on a secure digital ledger called blockchain. Using a Bitcoin wallet isn't as simple as opening a leather flap. For that reason, it may be helpful to think of a Bitcoin wallet like email, says Sarah S.H. Stillman, FinTech and Blockchain Counsel with Perkins Coie. To send an email, you must use your password to log into your account. Input a recipient's address, and then hit send. To send Bitcoin, you similarly need your coded key, essentially your password, to access your cryptocurrency. You then need your intended recipient's Bitcoin wallet address, similar to an email address, to send the cryptocurrency to them. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications about crypto-related videos.